car insurance in Waldorf, Maryland. Finding the least expensive insurance policy for your vehicle really comes down to getting the best car insurance quotes possible. These days there is an easy way to do this with quote comparison websites displaying the best of literally thousands of options. But there are factors to consider, and the reality is that significant savings are to be made in other ways. For example, what kind of coverage and the number of types of coverage includes in the policy can have a real influence on the monthly rate that would need to be paid. So securing online quotes can reveal the details that a driver must be aware of. But getting cheap car insurance is easier now than it has ever been. Attaining some valuable knowledge of some of the finer details to consider is also wise. When seeking car insurance quotes, it is important to know what coverage to get. Some people look at the final policy price and the payment structure offered by the insurance company. But even if it looks like the price is excellent, missing an important aspect of coverage could prove to be a very costly decision. There are 5 main areas of coverage that insurance policies can include. These are body injury liability, personal injury protection, property damage liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. Many people will point to the need to have 2 or 3 of these areas included when securing online quotes, but with an accident possible at any time, the decision of which ones to leave out may prove costly. Each type of coverage is designed to protect the driver from a certain type of accident. So to exclude certain coverage in a car insurance policy leaves the driver vulnerable. Whether it is personal injury or body injury liability, it could eventually cost the driver thousands of dollars. Of course, while getting complete coverage is a good idea, it can prove expensive. Choosing the right coverage comes down to selecting the realistic risks that are faced every day. For example, there is little point in getting car insurance quotes that include coverage for ice-related accidents if living in a climate where it never freezes. Once the key risks are known, then it becomes easy to prioritize the coverage that is needed. For this point, it is important to identify the budget that is most affordable, and this can then act as a rule when considering the various policy options. Securing online quotes is simpler when such factors are known. This whole exercise can also see significant savings made. It is unwise to buy every kind of coverage, but equally unwise to ignore the most important. And so long as the car insurance policy fits within the set budget, that is okay. One of the best ways to lower car insurance quotes is to claim deductibles on the policy. A deductible is where a cash sum is paid into the insurance fund, increasing the coverage but without increasing the cost. The benefit is that a claim can be reduced after an accident, as the deductible is used first. Also, seeking quotes on multiple car insurance policies at the same time can also reveal savings. It might seem desperate, but the result of filling out dozens of insurance forms at a time is that a maximum. By securing online quotes from so many brokers at once, it is easier to examine and decide which insurance policy is best.